before, it is already impacting parts of the upper Midwest. Michigan really in that bullseye, and that's where we find Fox Weather's Robert Ray. Robert, what I understand, we have 40-mile-per-hour winds, -4 wind chills. Give me the scoop. How is it up there in Marquette?
It is absolutely brutal. These conditions are way worse than yesterday. And about 4 a.m. is when all of this wind began to really kick up again, along with the snow. I drove around this morning before the light began to even come up, and you see it's not even completely bright right now, but we've got whiteout conditions behind us. The twinkling lights, power in some areas, though there is extensive power outages all across Michigan and Wisconsin this morning. It feels -0 here this morning, especially when the wind kicks up off of Lake Superior. And I don't know if we could see some of the video that I had sent in this morning, but these drifts are beginning to pile up. Vehicles are having a very, very tough time moving around, including myself driving, car getting kicked a little bit when the wind kicks up. You can't really tell where you're at, so you're disoriented on the roads. And, you know, with the drifting on the sides of the roads and, frankly, in the middle of the roads, that makes it incredibly dangerous to be even driving. As you see the winds kicking up, creating whiteout conditions, the lights of the vehicle, you can barely see them, well less than a quarter mile of visibility, absolute blizzard conditions. And this is going to get worse throughout the morning and the day. All of this will end basically in the middle of the night into Tuesday. We already have nearly 2 feet of snow here in Marquette. Expect a lot more. Potentially in some areas up to 4 feet of snow, and that could rival the 2-day snowfall total from 1977, which was 47 inches, guys. And, you know, we know about the air travel. It is just snarled all over the country with thousands of flights that are canceled, thousands that are delayed. And I have to tell you, this is dangerous. Any skin that is exposed this morning, it just hurts. It stings. I keep having a part of my face mask fall on the left side because of the wind, and it just doesn't feel good. Another round of wind kicking up here and blowing the snow, drifting it. And Lake Superior, I got to tell you, way too dangerous to head down there this morning. Yesterday, we experienced significant waves crashing into the frozen shoreline, 20 to 30-foot waves again today. And the potential, for hurricane wind gusts here this morning. As I move the face mask up, just brutal, extreme conditions here in the Upper Peninsula of Michigan. Guys, back to you.